I'm a merger and acquisition attorney, which also includes leverage management buyouts and corporate finance and restructuring. I have a very diverse and robust client base. Let me try to put this in perspective. Since 2004, when I joined Bean Kinney, which about 17 years ago, I have served as lead counsel in over 42 closed merger and acquisition transactions, 50% representing buyers, 50% representing sellers. My clients have come from diverse fields, including defense, information technology, government services, consumer product and services. I even represented an investment group who acquired a controlling interest in a local community bank. I was drawn to the business law because I was a businessman long before I became a lawyer. I received a Bachelor of Science and a Master of Engineering degrees from Cornell University. I then worked for 6 years as a management systems engineer, first for White Consolidated Industries and then for the Aluminum Company of America, otherwise known as Alcoa. And then when I decided to go to law school, I had to pay for it. So I formed and operated a business which over a 4-year period generated income for me to pay all my living expenses and my entire law school tuition. I guess I was destined to practice business law. Our job is to get an M&A transaction closed. I've been practicing as an M&A attorney over 35 years. M&A transactions are very, very complicated and have many moving parts. They don't teach in law school how to do an M&A transaction, and there's no book written about it. You couldn't write about it, it's too complicated. So you simply learn through experience. So when I assist in successfully closing an M&A transaction, I feel an incredible sense of accomplishment and satisfaction. To me, it's the absolute top of our profession. Bean Kinney's value proposition is to provide a comprehensive approach to M&A clients with personal service and cost-effective rates. So at Bean Kinney, I serve as outside counsel to several of my M&A clients. When they have a problem or a project they call, if I cannot handle the legal project or legal issue, I can get another BKK subject matter expert on the phone in minutes to answer those questions. We structure our legal advice to clients through the lens of an M&A transaction. What do I mean by that? Our recommended solutions are to enhance the value of the company, not detract from the value of the company from the viewpoint of an M&A buyer or seller. We know what it looks like, and we make sure it looks that way when we're done. Another aspect to what we do is because we're so close to these companies and we're familiar with them, when an M&A transaction presents themselves to them, we're ready to go.